Retail on these was $220, bro. That's O effing D, bro. $220 is nuts. So plus tax in New York, that's like Yeezy. That comes out to like $239, bro. That's disgusting. Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, y'all. So look, man, we back on the channel. If y'all didn't see the update video, make sure y'all go see that update video, man. And I just broke down everything that was just going on in my life from the, the past 2 months where I didn't post. Big shout outs to everybody who checked in, man. And first and foremost, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down there and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video, man, and comment down below what else y'all want to see, because we coming back strong. This is the comeback. I'm putting on my Jordan jersey number 45, you feel me? And we back, man. Anyways, y'all should know about the title. We have a review. It's been a minute since I did one of these. I ain't gonna lie, I filmed 1 or 2, but I was just, like I said in my update, I was just in a bad headspace, so I didn't upload it, I didn't edit it. So yeah, here we have the Jordan Lightning 4s. So if you guys know me, y'all should know that Jordan 4s are my favorite silhouette of Jordans. Probably like Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 6s. I like a lot of Jordans, but Jordan 4s is probably my favorite, then Jordan 1s, and then like 3s, and then yeah, other ones it's just like I pick and choose between which ones I like. But yo, Lightning Jordan 4s, man. If you guys don't know about this shoe, it was like, yo, you guys aren't really, like, I don't want to downplay anybody, because everybody in the community should get love. Like, I feel like a lot of it is like old sneakerheads versus new sneakerheads, and the old sneakerheads is just bashing the new sneakerheads. I feel like it should be more love in this community, you feel me? But anyways, Lightning Jordan 4s, that came out in 06, and yo, you really couldn't get your hands on them, bro. It was like, yo, like as rare as it was to get struck by lightning, that's how rare it was for you to get this shoe. To be honest, like, the shoe's only $2,000. You could really just buy it. But like, if you really want to spend $2,000 on a shoe, yeah, nah. That's why they call it the Lightnings, man. But the real story about why they call it the Lightnings was because there was a motorsport team, and Jordan made a sneaker for them, and that team, it was an exclusive. They had the yellow. I forgot why they chose yellow, but they just made it yellow because of the tour, I guess. That's why it's called Tour Yellow, the new colorway. But it's the Lightning Jordan 4s, man. But anyways, all that aside, this is one of my grails that I've been wanting for a long time. Like I said, Jordan 4s are my favorite, and it finally re-released, man. It finally retroed, and your boy got the shoe right here for the review for y'all. And that's already 3 minutes into the video. Let's just get into the review. All right, so starting off with the unboxing, right here we have the Jordan, the size tag and color code and everything. So it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. This is a size 9. Retail on these was $220, bro. That's O effing D, bro. $220 is nuts. So plus tax in New York, that's like Yeezy. That comes out to like $239, bro. That's disgusting. And the color code is Tour Yellow, Dark Blue, Gray. And yeah, that's exactly what it is. The box, as you guys can see, it comes with the yellow top. A lot of the Jordan 4s been coming like in this box. It has the cement print on the bottom, and then the top would be in the color of the sneaker. So I don't know if you guys see back there, but the UNCs came with the blue Jumpman and the white top, and then the white Oreos came with the red Jumpman and the white top. Same thing with the Oreos on the Oreo cement print, not Oreo print, cement print around the box. And yeah, the bottom is just gray with the yellow Jumpman right there. The color is really popping. But yeah, I was able to pick up a couple pairs from Foot Locker. I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I didn't get a thumbnail with all of them, but just know your boy got like a handful, maybe like 2 handfuls, and I got a couple coming in from online. So yeah, that's good, you feel me? Flipping open the box. On the inside right here we have the dark blue gray, dark gray blue, whatever you want to call it, on the inside. And then you have the paper right here being in that cement print, with the inside of the box being in yellow. So yeah, just flipping it open, we have the sneaker right here. And my first look and impression on these is, just take a look, man. This shit just really pops in your face. I guess the lighting is not so bright today, so it's not looking as bright, but I mean on the camera it still looks really bright. And Jordan Brand really did their thing on this, man. They really did their thing, and I'm kind of happy. I'm happy that these re-released or retroed, because it was an original colorway, so it retroed. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll so you guys get a look on them. I'm gonna give you guys, you know, the full 360 and the bottom. So let's cut to that, and then we come back and break down the colorway and give y'all my full review, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, hopefully you guys got a, you know, good little look at the details of this sneaker. That really changes your mind. But yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown, man. So the entire upper is basically yellow. There's tour yellow going on the upper, toe box, back, side, mid panel, whatever. And then the midsole is in white. They got the same white midsole as the Cool Gray 4s, which is really nice. The netting is in yellow, but then they have the plastic right here in that dark gray blue. Dark gray blue just really rolls off your tongue. Pause. Same thing on the tongue. Tongue has the netting as well. And then they also have dark gray blue accents on the wings, on the side, both sides, and plastic dark gray blue on the, you know, I don't know, eyelets, like these little eyelet flaps for the laces. And yeah, don't forget the inside of the tongue is in that dark gray blue as well, with dark gray blue Air Jordan upside down with this like patch being in yellow. And then we have the patch, Jordan Jumpman patch right here with the flight in tour yellow, and the patch is dark gray blue with the Jordan Jumpman being in white. Now the outsole is mainly dark gray blue with a yellow Jumpman right here, and then white in the middle, and then the forefoot. And that pretty much breaks down the colorway. Also on the inside, it has a white insole with a Jordan Jumpman that's in dark gray blue. So yeah, that's just the colorway. Really clean colorway per se. I just wish the yellow popped a little bit more. Like, it already pops, but just make it pop a little bit more, you feel me? But yeah, there's that. As for materials, like I said, it's like a suede upper, but I feel like it's more of a nubuck because there's no really hairs, you feel me? So that's the upper. They got the mesh on this side and the medial side and the lateral side, and then they have a mesh on the toe, on the tongue as well, with the sock liner being in this like, I don't know, soft material, really nice. Then the midsole is in this hard midsole material. I don't know if it's Phylon. Then they have an air unit in there, and then they have rubber for the outsole. So that pretty much breaks down the colorway and material of the sneaker. Now as for sizing on Jordan 4s, I do recommend that you go true to size. I am a size 9, so I picked these up in a size 9. And you guys will get it on feet, man. So yeah, there is that. Now for comfort, yeah, Jordan 4s are kind of like bricky, not that comfortable, kind of heavy. So yeah, don't be seeking that much comfort on these. But yeah, let's cut to an on feet on this sneaker right here. And when I come back, I'll wrap everything up with my resale predictions and my final opinions. So yeah, let's hop to the on feet. Alright, so we're back from the on feet. Hopefully, you know, that swayed your opinion one way or another on if you're gonna cop the sneaker or not cop the sneaker, or if you know, or if it didn't, you know what I'm saying? Now as for resale on this sneaker right here, right now, men's sizes are around $300 and grade school sizes are around $200. But Jordan Brand upped the retail on these. So men's sizes retail was $220 plus tax. So in New York that comes out to like almost $240, and in tax-free states, you know, obviously it's $220. So you know, you'll still be able to make that $80 jump. Then depends on like where you sell, if there's fees or not. You know, you're making like $60 to $80, which is very good on a sneaker in my opinion. But there was a lot of pairs released. And then I also have to compare this to like, you could compare these to like, or with the white Oreo 4s. I think around the same amount of them dropped, but there's gonna be a lot more late shipments on these just because I guess like there's been like supply chain, you know, disruption on shipping and stuff like that. That more goes towards like chips and computer stuff as opposed to sneakers, but I guess it's affecting the sneaker world as well. So there's more late shipments, so make sure y'all check out local stores if y'all want to get more pairs for retail. Do I think these are gonna go up? Like I said, it's kind of tough because it's a solid color on one shoe and it's a bright color. So I honestly think like white Oreos is more appealing to the masses as opposed to this is more targeted towards a niche like sneaker community. So like people I know, they love the sneaker, like we love the sneaker. But to your common folk who like just want to buy a pair of sneakers or a pair of Jordans, they're probably not going to buy these. They're going to buy like the white Oreos. That's why the white Oreos took an extra leap. And yeah, same thing compared to like UNC 4s. I honestly think white Oreos, especially in like grade school sizes for girls would go towards a, you know, a more simpler colorway as opposed to one color that just pops at you like the UNC 4s or the Lightning 4s, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely more of a shoe for the community, and I appreciate that, man. I really do appreciate that. So I think that men's sizes will settle around like 300 range. You can compare it to like Raging Bull 5s. It's more of like for the community, you know what I'm saying? Like the common person, the regular person is not gonna buy all red Jordan 5, you know what I'm saying? But that is a like one of the most sought after colorways and the retro for the first time. Just that shoe, I don't want to compare it directly because there was a lot more stock and a lot more restocks. If they do it, if they treat this shoe the same, it's gonna be around like 280 ish for resale, but I think it should go up for like to like 300, 350. But if you want to buy this shoe and tuck it away for like 2-3 years, who knows, it could be like 600. But if that's up to you, if you want to, you know, do that type of investment, honestly. But like I said, resale on these are pretty solid. Now let's wrap everything up with my final opinions, man. Like I said, these are one of my grails, so I'm definitely keeping one in the stash. This is a size 9. I got another size 9 coming in the mail, so these are definitely going into my stash, and I will be adding these to my collection. I'm thinking about selling my size 9 white Oreo 4s just because I have 2 pairs of white cements. There's no point in having a white Oreo 4s, not an OG colorway, if I'm gonna add these. So yeah, there's that. Pretty much wraps up the whole video. Keeping them, love them. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them. Are you guys keeping a pair? Did you hit on the thing? Did you hit on sneakers or whatever? Y'all just let me know, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. It feels good to be back. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.